Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then scroll down to the system section. Now just go here to the gestures, and here you got this 3-finger screenshot section, tap there, and that's now just turned on. So just to turn on, tap here once on the switcher, and to turn off, here tap again on the switcher. And now I'll show you. Just to take a screenshot, you have to just touch and hold your 3 fingers at the same time on your screen. And as you can see, we got here the screenshot. We can share with this screen, we can edit the screen. I'll make it one more time to show you. You can also delete the screen. Here, if you'll just tap on the screenshot, you can open and change the size, or you can just type here something, and then we can just save the screen, and also we can just delete or share with someone with the screenshot. And as you can see, our photo is saved, and then you can just find your all taken previously screenshots in the gallery or in the just photos application here. And now just go to the library here, and here as you can see, we got the screenshots folder with all our previously taken screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.